Good morning. Hey guys, it's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen. Today is January 1st, 2024, and I am out here doing a first day hike. This is what I do every year, is go on a hike on the first day of the year, and today I am hiking at Eisenhower State Park here in Texas. And it is a beautiful, chilly morning, but I'm excited for new adventures and excited to take you on this hike. I love this area of Eisenhower. The beach is so beautiful, but it is very cold right now. So I'm gonna make this hike short and go back up because my hands are frozen and I didn't bring my gloves. Put my sunglasses on. The sun is out. Put my shades on. There we go, much better. But as you can see, there's a little beach right there. I love this area. It's so beautiful. Not a lot of people out today. I did see a family here, but it's a beautiful day. I hope that you have a wonderful new year, 2024. I hope that you get to go on some really cool adventures and that you get to just have a good time outdoors. I'm really excited about this new year. Got a couple of adventures in mind for this next year, and I can't wait to take you on all the adventures. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow along all of the wonderful adventures. So right now I'm hiking along these rocks. This is limestone. Let me show y'all. I am going to check out the cave. There is a cave here, and I'm gonna go and check it out. It is freezing. Ooh, I should have brought my gloves. Climb over these rocks. There we go. So this is the cave, and it looks like the limestone has washed up to the cave, or somebody put it here. I don't know if they're trying to deter people from going inside, but normally I'm usually able to just like walk straight across into the cave. But I don't know. Looks like some things have changed over here, but it's still beautiful. I love this view of the water. You can just look at the water over here. It's so beautiful. Wow. So excited for this new year. Lots of fun adventures coming, and I can't wait to take you guys all along all of the adventures.